What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend.
My name is Richenza Marie.
And I'm Qui. And today we are bringing you a very different video. We are going to be doing an unboxing of the Jordan 11 Bred. Okay, so let's talk about sneaker sizing first. So I am typically a size 8, a US 8 in women's, but these shoes, which is not right either, they do us so dirty in the sneaker world.
They do.
They have either men's size in these or youth, pretty much. So I'm an 8 US women, but I am a youth size 6.5 in the Jordan 11 Breds.
Right.
So,
and this was like the hottest shoe that just dropped. So tell us about the process of you actually getting these shoes.
I ended up doing a raffle on Finish Line, and it's like you have to do the raffle, like I believe it was like a week or two before the sneaker dropped. I think a week. It was maybe like a week before the sneaker dropped. So I had to sign up for the sneaker to let them know where I wanted to pick the sneaker up at, and then I think maybe a day or two before the sneaker dropped, I was reserved for the shoe. So all I had to do was go to the store to pick it up. Now, when I went to the store, I'm thinking like, okay, like it's a sneaker, like whoopsie-doo, whatever. When I tell you the line for this sneaker was so long.
Oh no.
Yes, it was so long, and I had between the hours of 10 to 12 to pick the sneaker up.
Did you have to wait in line?
I did not have to wait in line.
Oh, good.
So yeah, I was able to just like walk right up to the clerk and get my shoe. Literally, I had 8 minutes left before 12 o'clock.
So
and
after that, what happened?
they basically sell your shoe.
Oh.
So you have to like get in line to like get a new shoe. It's like a whole situation, y'all. It's so interesting because it's like we kind of work with sales associates, so you never have to go through this, okay, let's do a raffle for this. Let's reserve this.
Like, no.
It's just like a whole thing. Like, let's go wait in line and camp out for this. Honey, no, that's not my thing.
I didn't even know it was a thing until the Yeezy shoes, because I wanted the new Yeezys that are coming out. I got a pair, but I didn't know that you had to go through so much to get like the hype shoes at the time.
Oh man, it's like a big disaster. So yeah, with that being said, we'll give you guys all the rundown. So if you have any questions about getting sneakers or what's the hot sneaker, leave a comment down below and we'll be talking about all of that stuff. But let's get into the unboxing. So this is the box that it comes in, and apparently this is like the OG box. This is not the typical box that the Jordans come in, but on the box it just says Air Jordan 11 Retro GS, and then it retails for $170.
Dang.
Yes.
For some gym shoes?
Yes. These retail for $170. Youth, the adults retailed for $220. Okay, so it just has like this little black plasticky paper. Ooh. And this is one of the sneakers.
Those are so cute.
Yeah, these are really nice. Jordan doesn't make, in my opinion, too many shoes that really look good on girls, just strictly because they like super thick and bulky, a lot of them. But I think these look really nice. So this is what it looked like. And
we'll do some mod shots for you guys also. So for the shoe, was it comfortable for you? Are they a comfortable type of shoe? Yeah,
I actually do think these are comfortable. Definitely not as comfortable as the Jordan ones. Okay guys, we're going to give you a little bit of details about the shoe. So it has a upper part of the shoe is going to be patent leather, and you'll also have some mesh there. Then the midsole comes in white, and the sole of the shoe comes in red. If you turn the shoe to the back, you'll see the red Jumpman logo as well as the number 23. Then I'm going to turn it to the side so you guys can see the checker pattern that we have on there. And if you look at the sole of the shoe, you'll see a pattern, and it is in black and red on the bottom with another Jumpman logo. Do you have any questions about the shoe?
I want them.
You want them?
And I'm mad that I didn't go with you.
Okay, so guys, from what I'm hearing, they are going to have a restock of these shoes. So when they have the restock, we'll just like leave a message like, you know,
in our YouTube
somewhere where you guys can check it out, or we'll post it on our Instagram and let you guys know that they are having a restock. But I will say, if they do have a restock and you do have a chance to get these, you definitely should. They are super cute on foot. And yeah, if you have any questions or concerns about sneakers in general, or you want to know more about this sneaker, definitely leave us a comment down below and we'll answer it.
Alright you guys, so that was the end of our video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys turn on your notification bells so you can know that we are going to be dropping every Thursday. Alright you guys, don't forget to stay chic. Chiq Squad out. Alright, ready?
I got a public service announcement.
We gotta do the what's up, y'all.
I need to say this before we do that. If I'm not as pretty in this video,
oh my
it's
God,
because she took my good side.
But I have pretty hair clips.
So it's y'all fault that she took my good side because she want to turn so y'all can see her hair clips.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hey, how we start?
What's up, you guys? Hey guys. 1, 2, 3. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend. What? You ready?